This is Mama Jasmine with NewFoundLove and Daddy Greylag there with the Opos. And so today, this morning, Sweet the Signet is not there anymore, so I'll have to go back and have a second round again. Like, I'm just gonna have a look, because that signet is so special and I need to have a look. Okay, I'm gonna leave you in here eating your meal, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Come on then, handsome. Come on, handsome. I need to see where's Sweet the Signet. Come here, closer with Mama Jasmine. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.